Hello traders and welcome to the VantagePoint Trading Journal for today, Tuesday, November 6, 2018. We're going to show you how VantagePoint's been forecasting market movements and show you what you need to pay attention to. Alright, today we are focusing on Honeywell after a long protracted downward move. We saw that the bottom was put in, and we saw the Neural Index go from red to green back on the 30th of October. After that, we just got the bullish crossover, and we see that the predictive high and low is above yesterday's high and low. So those three things are telling me that we want to look to the upside. Now, if you're a stock trader, simply buying anywhere in this 147.5 or a little bit lower area, perfectly valid. But if you're an options trader, I would encourage you to take a look at the November 23rd expiration 152.5, 155 call spread. You can get that for certainly 50 cents, maybe even a little bit less. If you do get it for 50 cents, you're getting 4-to-1 reward to risk. So very, very deep reward to risk. Very nice. Obviously, if you get it cheaper than that, that's only the better. So here we are looking at it as we hopefully put in a bottom, and it just takes off from here. Alright, that is it. I will be checking in with you later on in the week, and good luck trading, and we'll talk to you soon.